Okay, let's have a quick look at the situation of this title, this bug. Ksenia's created a page called Creation of Many Worlds, and when she created it, for whatever reason, it came up hyphenated with the caps. This is actually the page slug. So if you notice the page slug up here, that is the title here, is all lowercase with hyphens in between it. The titles are automatically translated to page slugs, and you can go kind of downgrade it from titles to the slug. So you can't go back from the slug to the title because there's a loss of information that way. You don't know which letter should be capitalized. I mean, actually you can make a reasonable guess, but the software doesn't do that. So this has probably been created just to do with some bug, some network bug or something, I don't know why. And the problem is we've now lost this title information and it's very difficult to get it back. I'm going to experiment getting it back. The easy thing to do is just create another page with a slightly different title and drag the content from this page into it, which I've already done actually with this Many Worlds title here. But we're going to now have a look at how we could actually create a page which has that exact title in. So what I'm going to do is go to a new site. I'm going to go to hacks.fedwiki.org. That's for kind of experiments and hacks. And I'm going to try copying, well, I could try copying this over there. But in fact, what I really want to do is see what happens if I first create a page with the right title. So let's create a page called Creation of Many Worlds. By the way, I don't think that's a very good title. Generally, you want to choose a title which is catchy and picks up, but can be used in different contexts. So Many Worlds could be used in Creation of Many Worlds, or let's take a look at Many Worlds, or lots of different sentences. But I need to sign in. I'm not signed in. So I'm going to sign in. And then, once I've signed in, it'll probably take me back to the home page, which is a pain, but there you go. And I have to refork this to get rid of the yellow edge of this. Now I can create this page. So now I can see it's capitalized properly. Now the problem I have, or will have, is as soon as I take this dud page, because I've done it before, over to this side, so I have now basically this page and this dud page. I'm pretty sure, in fact I'm not going to do it, if I fork this page, I basically lose the nice title. There's another way of merging pages, and I'm not sure which way to do it, which is to drag the journal from one page to the other. I'm assuming that when you drag from something, that is like the priority, the stuff you want to keep, but I'm just guessing that. So I'm going to try doing it in any case and see what I get. Okay, so I get the title, but for some reason I don't get any of this stuff. Let's try it the other way around. Let's try dragging this onto there. You see, I lose the title. That's a little bit, I don't know why. I'm going to try refreshing the page here. So I've refreshed the page. I then will drag that on there. Just for fun, I'm going to refresh the page again. Refreshing the page sometimes fixes problems. And now I'm going to do the thing that didn't work before, which is drag and drop that on there. Okay. It's got a big journal. Let's see what happens if we go back in time. No, title's gone. Yeah. So it doesn't look good. So there's no easy way of doing this. The only way to do it is to go to the terminal. I've also written some scripts to delete all pages, but we won't do that right now. I'll show you that when I show you the software. So what we can do is we can SSH to the server and delete the page. So if I have a look, if I cd into the .invisible wiki folder, and then I have a look at the sites that we want to delete on are Ksenia.Utopia Academy. So I can cd to that. cd, oops, I don't want the HTTP. And there we have pages, cd just pages, and now we have all Ksenia's pages. Now we can basically remove the create page, which is basically here, creation of many worlds page. And I'm okay to remove it because I've already copied it. I mean, when I remove it, she will lose her data. So this is her page here on her site, and I'm going to delete it all. Just checking that the page that I have here is a good page. It's got the related sites. Well, maybe she'll like the other sites there, but she can add it. It's basically got most of the content. I also fixed the image caption, so I'm not worried about losing this page of hers. So I'm now going to RM for remove, which you have to be very careful for. And the name of that page, creation of many worlds, and that's the right name of the page. Hit return, and now we can see that that page does not exist anymore. Which means if we go back here and we reload, it basically says, "Ooh, I don't know where that thing is. We couldn't find that page." So that means you can recreate it, and I will do the same on my Utopia site, because when I was doing this forking, unfortunately, when you drag a page, from one place to another, you also duplicate that page over, which is a pain. But I will therefore go to my Utopia Academy and delete it as well. CD up a level, down a level, CD up another level, and then I want Utopia.academy, and then I want CD pages, and then I've got that, and then I can remove that creation of many worlds, which I had before. So I'm going back in history to remove creation of many worlds. Yep. And then on my site as well, you will find that there is no page there either. So I can now recreate it with the right title. Okay, that's the end of how to basically fix the bug. It's no one's fault, it's a bug in the software.